So this is exactly how I was able to fix my OnePlus Nord Buds 3 Pro that one earbud is not working. So the first thing I did was that I lifted up the charging case here, and you need to make sure that both of the earbuds are in the charging case. Well, there could be two reasons for it. The first reason is that one of the earbuds simply don't have enough battery. So what you can try to do is to just charge it for like 10 minutes and see if that works. If that still isn't working for you, well, the second reason might be that there is some type of connection fault right now, and we need to basically reset them to be able to fix it. And to be able to reset them, just keep the charging case open here and then find this button right here. Click and hold. Keep holding. You will see a white blinking light, but that's not it. We need to keep holding until we will see a red light blinking 3 times. So just keep holding now. Keep holding still. And then 1, 2, 3. Now you can release, and now you can pair it to your phone once again, and this should hopefully now fix this problem for you as well.